Hello friends, good morning. Today we will learn self-talk, positive self-talk sentence सीखेंगे. Learn will as like this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Okay. I can do this. I am strong. Recognizing of value of the time. Today, today a very good day. Today is a good day. I am interested in these projects. I am talk to you. How can you use this self-talk sentences in our conversations on spoken in English? As like this, I believe myself. I believe myself, and I can do this. I don't fear any situations. I am hard worker. I am. I want to learn. I want to speak. I want to go. Now, if you don't minds, I will take this, and everyone's try to speak in English and think in English. How can I do right now? How can do I am right now? And try to speak of the time and what is doing right now your work. Use in the conversations and speaking. Like I am learning English. I am speaking English. I am focusing on this spoken English. Mistake help me grow. Mistake when I will be try to speak in English and some mistake coming first time starting times is the no problems and don't fear. Try to speak in English, try to making sentence, try to conversations daily. Everyone's when will be try to making past spoken in past. Try to some sentences. I did go to markets. I did do my work. I did play. I did read. I did eat. I did sleep. I did sleep with, I did drive with, I did drink with, I did eat with, I did do with. And you can use any conjunctions in our sentence. Step by step, one conjunction pattern. So you can use with, while, if, want, who, hope, them, her, they. You can use all these verb and conjunctions. Try to speak in English, and your confidence grow up will be grow up your confidence. Then you apply to all conjunctions and verb to type in English. uh, First of all, we will be speak right now in present tense. Present tense is very simple, so you can everyone speak. This is very simple. uh, I am eating. I do my work. He does not work. She does not go to market. He is a good boy. She is bad girls. She is very intelligent. She is very beautiful. Try to speak first of all present tense. How can use our spoken and sentences? Next, future. Past indefinite. First of all, try to past indefinite. How can speak in English past indefinite? I will do. I can do. I will do. I will can do. I will go to markets. I will with go to markets. I will with her go to markets. They will go to school. They are they will play in school grounds. You will be ready for your practice. You will be do this work. And like this, you can use our sentence and spoken English. Next, past. Past is very simple. Past indefinite. First of all, starting in speak past indefinite. I did do. He did do. You did do. And they did do. And she did do. And it did do. You can speak first of all and simple taking sentence in your speaking conversations in spoken English. And just to think, you can try to 4 week. I am saying you right now, you can think in mind some improve coming your spoken English. Some improve coming, you will be your spoken English. Just I am saying right now, everyone think in mind. I am learning every day. I am Okay, I am learning every day. I am working on this topic every day. I am thinking on this topic every day. I am thinking in English every day. I am speaking, try to speaking in every day. You can try to speaking simple sentence techniques. Like is this, I am going. Okay, and conjunction start to market and choose any place. Market, Taj Mahal, Ram Mandir, and Delhi and Mumbai. Okay, one sentence try to speak in. You will be try to speak one sentence. Start. First of all, I am going to markets and I am going to Taj Mahal. I am going to Ram Mandir. Now I am going to Delhi and I am going to Mumbai. Okay, you can use as like this sentence makings in your thought. How can think in minds? How can think in English? How can making our sentence? How can improve in our skill speaking skill? Thank you for watching this my video. Bye bye everyone.